Over 3 years into the COVID-19 pandemic, the U.S. government has been continuously politicizing the health crisis with endless, irresponsible smearing on China. But the world's most powerful country owns over 300 biolabs around the world and refuses to receive any investigation. According to observers and experts, some of the U.S.-controlled labs have military backgrounds, which poses serious threats to global health and stability.
When you say the U.S. State Department or the U.S. DOD, which is the owner of these labs, then element of a military or the use of these biological labs for the sake of a military purpose becomes an open secret, certainly, then it's a point of concern. And if your labs are aimed for strategic objectives, then these labs are very much dangerous. They are harming, or they could be harmful. It will be not going to limit the catastrophe of this lab within that area or region or country. It has a spillover impact in the adjacent regions, including the farthest region.
When it comes to biological weapons, the difficulty with this is any person in a small lab can produce biological weapons. These biological agents not only destroy human beings, but they can destroy also the natural potential of any area, any country, which literally makes it a complete desert, uninhabitable from people.
The international community has long been concerned about the United States' extensive biological military activities. Shrouded in mystery, the practices of the U.S. biological institutions are deemed non-transparent and unsafe.
U.S. biological labs are not transparent. With lack of transparency, accountability is also absent.
I think that transparency in this kind of research and development is very significant. I think that they are not open, they are not transparent, but definitely if they are hiding, they have some strategic objectives in their mind.
Laboratorium Biologi Amerika di bawah Pentagon atau di bawah Kementerian Pertahanan Amerika yang ada di Indonesia disebut NAMRU 2. Jadi NAMRU adalah singkatan dari Naval American Medical Research Unit, dan itu komandonya adalah di bawah Pentagon, dan itu adalah kegiatan marinir US atau marinir Amerika. Karena kegiatan NAMRU sangat tertutup, tidak bisa kita lihat apa yang dia lakukan. Misalkan tiba-tiba NAMRU mempunyai kerjasama dengan universitas besar tanpa izin kami. Kemudian NAMRU tiba-tiba mempunyai sentinel klinik-klinik di Indonesia, itu ada 180 klinik untuk mengambil material biologi tanpa setahu kami. Saya sangat concern dengan keberadaan laboratorium biologi Amerika yang ada di luar Amerika. Untuk apa gitu? Harusnya transparan.
As fears for harms brought by U.S. biolabs are mounting, the call for supervision on them is getting louder.
My wish that there could be an international body to monitor such labs.
Es necesario que las Naciones Unidas tomen cartas en este asunto y que disponga un organismo que se encargue de supervisar las acciones, tanto civiles como militares, de todos los países del mundo, empezando por las potencias beligerantes del planeta. Eso es muy, muy importante.
This kind of, biological weapons, biological laboratories, they should be controlled by the, supranational, maybe, bodies, agents. They have to tell about what's going on over these places and what kind of viruses, what kind of weapons they are producing.
Analysts say obstacles against such supervision also come from the United States, as it allows itself to supervise other countries and not vice versa.
When it comes to biological facilities, the United States are very reluctant into accepting international inspection of those facilities.
Unfortunately, international agencies are powerless to supervise the activities of U.S. labs all over the world. Moreover, even local authorities are not allowed to enter those facilities. Bilateral treaties between the United States and nations hosting the labs also grant enormous advantages to the Americans. Lab sites are inviolable by local judges, tax authorities, and even the police,